This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Studio on mobile Android. Roblox Studio is fundamentally built for desktop computers, meaning it runs best on operating systems such as Windows or Mac OS. Mobile Android devices operate on a distinct system architecture, utilizing different input methods. Therefore, directly installing Roblox Studio onto an Android phone or tablet is simply not a supported function by Roblox. One viable workaround involves utilizing cloud streaming services. These platforms can stream a complete desktop environment directly to your Android device, effectively letting you run Roblox Studio on a powerful remote server. You then interact with this streamed desktop from your phone or tablet. For this to work effectively, you will definitely need a robust and very stable internet connection, ideally with low latency, to ensure a fluid and responsive experience while developing. Another effective method is to use remote desktop access applications. These tools enable you to control your personal computer directly from your Android device, viewing its screen and using its applications. For this to work, your primary computer must remain powered on and have Roblox Studio already installed and running. Crucially, both your Android phone or tablet and your desktop computer will require an active internet connection to establish and maintain the remote link. It's important to understand the inherent limitations when using these workarounds. Mobile device controls, designed for touch, are simply not optimized for the precise interface and complex mouse and keyboard inputs required by Roblox Studio. You might experience significant latency or input lag, which can make intricate tasks like precise building or scripting quite challenging. Therefore, these methods are generally better suited for reviewing existing projects or making small adjustments, rather than for extensive new development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.